Hello. It's a bit off the cuff, a bit of an update on my trading. Things have been going pretty good. I took a bit of a step back in terms of psychology and how I feel towards my strategy and trading in general. But I I think I figured it out. It's more I've been sizing pretty small, and in turn I've been chasing bigger moves. And for my trading style, I am much more of a scalper, and I go for small moves and have tighter stops. So it makes sense to, like, realistically, it makes sense to size heavier when these opportunities come. And that means you're not fighting for bigger trades. And also, it's easier to walk away. I think if you can just grab what you can at the moment, sorry, and then just walk away. You don't have to keep trying to get that big trade to cover your losses or do anything like that. So I think that's where I'm at now, and I'm not sure I'll do weekly recaps anymore because I was doing a strict one trade a day style of trading, but I've now a bit more lenient and I allow myself to trade more than once within reason. So if it's a big loss, obviously I'll walk away. But if I'm going break even on 2 or 3 trades, then I'll stick around. But also only if things are really lining up. So if I've got a few levels that look really nice and I've missed, um, I've missed most of them, or like they've just failed, I'll just I'll be patient and try and find the next one. But yeah, I think the main thing and everything that's helping my psychology is sizing heavier, which is weird to say because you think sizing smaller makes sense because it's less stress and less money, and it's like, well, I'm going to walk away now because I only lost this much, or I'm going to walk away because I made this much. But it's actually a lot easier to walk away sizing heavier and being able to catch a smaller move because that way you can also just close quicker and you don't have to sit there and watch the candles go up and down and you end up getting stopped out and then it runs, or you know what I mean. It's not very efficient to size small. Obviously it's good for practicing and there's nothing wrong with it, but you might have a few good trades in a week where you can actually get in and have that A plus setup, and that will give you your day. Sorry, that will give you your win for the day, and um, yeah. So if you size smaller, you end up just making like nothing basically. Like you make something, but it's just very slow, and you won't get those opportunities for a while, and you end up overestimating how much you can um, like hold the trade for, and then you end up just getting stopped out anyway. Like there's a lot to it, but yeah, going into the future, definitely sizing a lot heavier and being a lot more patient because having an A plus setup present itself, and then also having the ability to size heavier is far more rewarding, and it's a bit more forgiving too. Like if you can size heavier with um, proper risk management, then you're like the level's gonna work or it's not gonna work basically. But yeah, I'll keep it short for this week. I've also got my TPT account. I haven't had any payouts recently, but yeah. So once I get this TPT past the 2K buffer, I'll start trading a bit more heavily, and yeah, should be happy days. That's about it. Thank you. Goodbye.